because I don't think you guys ever heard my music. I'm trying to show you guys how it hits. I'm interested in seeing what kind of music you guys are trying to put me onto. So.
Couple goons with me being, know what I'm saying? See what
Welcome back, beautiful people, to my channel. It feels like forever since I made a video. We've been waiting for these upper ball joints, and they finally got here. This is how it looks. Brand new, so hopefully they don't keep spinning. I'm gonna be installing these today, really quick and easy. Hopefully. You doubted me? No more battery issues.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
This looks funnier on camera.
I wonder what's the right way to jack a car. Is this?
I don't think there's a right way when you're a woman.
I gotta look it up.
Okay, bye.
There you go. There you go.
Easy day. I'm sweating a little bit. Plan was to not sweat, but I'm sweating anyways. So here are the old ones. We don't know what the issue was, honestly. We got new ones though, so hopefully there's no wobbling and it tightens fine, because I would cry if it doesn't work. It's the Beetle. Hold up.
There's one thing I gotta do is compress this shit. Or you know what? You got a piece of wood, right? Catches grip,
And then it just loses grip once you go all the way tight. It like gets tight and then it just stops.
nah, I've never had that happen.
Never.
That's so weird.
Right,
But again, it is because of the brand.
Wheels back on, as you guys can see. We're calling it quits. Kept trying to tighten it and tighten it and tighten it, and it kept spinning and spinning and spinning. So Godspeed. I'm gonna try to reach out to them, see if I can get my money back, get a different kind of upper. So that's gonna take so much time, and like I wanted to drive my car. That's all I needed to do.
It's okay, you could drive mine. It's okay.
Things happen, and when they do, I'm okay with it, because you know I take it as a sign. I'm not gonna rush it. You know, if I was someone that rushed, I would drive it just like that, and I'd be driving and the wheel would come off and the whole car would be total. So let's not rush anything. If you're at home and something's not working out, don't rush it. Take it as a sign and take your time. Just take your time. Oh, you know, don't mind me. I just got caught in the rain. I was outside my car trying to connect the music wire in, because I'm trying to show you guys my sound system, because I don't think you guys ever heard my music. I'm trying to show you guys how it hits. I don't know if you guys can hear me because the rain is like, it's coming crazy. I asked you guys on Instagram to put me onto a song, so I got a whole list of music and we're gonna listen to it together. We're gonna see how it sounds in the car. We're gonna see if it hits in the car. I'm interested in seeing what kind of music you guys are trying to put me onto, so let's go into it. Also guys, as you guys seen, I recorded that video like probably 2 weeks, to be honest. It's been a while since I recorded that video. I've been waiting. I've been emailing the company that sent me those uppers. I've been asking for a refund. Basically, I've been sending them paragraphs and telling them why it's not working. I sent them videos and they said they'd get back to me. I gave them some time. I gave them the weekend, because I was like, you know, it's the weekend, maybe they're off work, maybe okay, whatever. So I gave them the weekend. Then Monday passed. I said, okay, let me just give them one more day. Then Tuesday came. I replied to them. I said, any updates, what's going on here, and no reply. So honestly, I guess I'm just gonna have to get new uppers. These are really bad quality. I hate to talk bad about companies or to talk bad about things and people, but this company. I just wish they gave me a refund because I put them on thinking they were the best brand. I always thought it was me, like maybe I'm not spinning it right, maybe I'm not tightening right. I tried everything you guys suggested on my last video. You guys told me, oh, jack it up, put pressure on the top, take the bushing out. I tried everything. I literally tried everything. I even asked them for a new ball joint because that was the issue. This is the part that kept spinning and spinning and it wouldn't tighten. Sent the new ones. I put the new ones in. It wasn't tightening, and I think it's unsafe to drive without that being tight. It's weird that this company just is okay with that. I just came to the conclusion it's just the brand. Probably just gonna have to get a new brand and hope for them to refund my monies. It got dark so fast, so I think I'm gonna have to use my Starlight headliner. You know, it gets really loud in here really quick. On the screen, the max is 30, but I sometimes leave it at 5. Right now, it's at 3. You guys will see how it plays at 3. It's a Friday, so we're allowed to play some music. That got me off guard. I feel like it got the camera off guard too because it lost focus. Is it just beats in here? I feel like I've heard this song before. I feel like this song is pretty good for rollers. Damn, we got so many. La Curiosidad. I know that song. It's from Jay Wheeler. I'm guessing that's the one they're talking about. I hope that's the one they're talking about because I want to hear it. The volume has been at 3, so I'm scared to put it all the way up. Let's just do it for the video. Let's just put it. Whoa, focus, focus. So I'm realizing for the subs to hit, the volume has to be at 7. And the volume when it's at 7, it hurts my ears. But you know, I guess I'll just do it for you guys, you know, hurt my ears, it's okay. Let's put Meet the Walkers by Lil Double O. Unless it's Lil 00. Oh my god, this is so bad. You guys are gonna like attack me. That's really fire. I like that one. Might have to add that to my playlist. Now I just wish I could drive this car to just listen to it all. Okay, let's do a Spanish one. It's called Si Supieras, Raulín Rodriguez. Oh, that sounds like bachata or something. Raulín, I've heard Raulín before. It's gonna be all boys. No bass, no subs. I don't know this song. This is the reason why I like classic bachata, cause like that guitar, that Okay, that was fire. That was fire. That's fire. I'm so sorry. You know what? Honestly, I'm just gonna keep the light on. No, cause now I look like I'm bald. Like, what the heck is going on here? You see that? Like, I'm not bald.
Couple goons with me being hot in it. Brand new color in the bottle. Niggas talking, we gon' solve it. Hold up another 8, right? I'm sorry, I can say forever. What I'm saying, know what I'm saying. See what I'm saying? I'm making feel what I'm saying. Trying to fuck. The next day.
Uh-oh. I hate how my steering wheel is in the way. I mean, I wasn't driving. I just literally moved the steering wheel. Yeah, the car wasn't supposed to be driven, so I didn't connect the spindle to the upper, so that was that sound.
Not bad. You'll be hearing from my lawyers.
Okay, little baby, calm down. Calm down. Okay fam, that's gonna conclude our video for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, even though I didn't get to do much with my car, to my car. Trust me, I'm upset as much as you guys are probably upset at home. I just wanted to, you know, start driving my car, taking it out, getting this car running good and straight so I can drive it for hours and hours. Once this car runs good, I'm not coming home. I'm gonna be doing like 16-hour trips and stuff like that. You know, everything happens for a reason, so no rush. If you're going through the same thing, no rush as well to you. I just want to say thank you all for supporting me through thick thick and thin. I really appreciate it. Give this video a like, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this video. Let me know if it was a vibe listening to music together. Like, I can't thank you guys enough for everything you guys do, for always commenting, for always giving me advices, for always like helping me out. Once again, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one. Peace. Let's just go.